Not that. Nope. 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 I think this is a pretty good one.
Okay, you think it's probably a wren.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get up to the bus. Get out.
Could be that.
Well,
But-
see, that's another kind of wren.
I know, but
But
that
look,
has
this one is a marsh wren, so that would
yeah,
be more
no.
near the water. You know, we have these, don't we, Jeremiah?
We have a pair finally.
This is a sparrow, so sparrow seems like it has more.
No, it's more.
second
It's more
sparrow.
narrow and long.
Okay, that's a.
It's about like this long.
This is called a purple martin.
Definitely not that.
What?
Purple martins eat
Not
mosquitoes.
this. What is this?
Not that.
Mommy. All right, I think it's this.
Okay, so we have a nest.
And you can watch the mama bird feed her babies. It's really
The
cute.
kids have been observing the nest, but I haven't gone out to see it yet, so I'm going to head out now.
Mom, bump me. I might fall down.
You'll be fine. This is Isabella mowed this morning. Doesn't it look nice, Jeremiah?
Okay, Mommy.
Didn't she do a good job?
Don't walk.
This is the state of our garden. It's looking good. I see a cucumber. Oh, they're anxious for me to come. Can't stop and look. That sound right there?
That's her. She's not too far away. And the babies are sleeping. You can see them.
No, they aren't.
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're right up there.
Let's see if I can get the camera up high enough.
Get it up.
Oh, I did see one peek its head out.
Pigeon.
got it.
It's nice.
You can't really see them.
Pigeon's nice.
Let it go. Let it go.
Pigeon's nice. That's
Really dark in there.
I don't know.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
let's see if we can wait quietly so that Mama will come. We're going to see if we can wait very quietly and Mama will come.
Yes, they will.
Yeah, I do think it's a wren.
City bird. That looks
It's a
like
Carolina
it's just
wren.
fatter. It's a city bird.
I came upstairs and Elsie had left a little surprise here in James' bed. She made a little James. He's crying and saying goo. She put his clothes on. Look at his little feet. That's pretty cute, Elsie. Really ready for that. Right. You didn't think it would be mom torture. That's not what you expected, is it? Thanks for bringing him out.